How to control who can call you on bottom. This tutorial shows you how to manage incoming call permissions and block unwanted calls on the Bottom app. First, open the Bottom application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main chat screen where you can view your conversations. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a menu will appear with various account and settings options. Moving forward, scroll down to the Settings section. Afterwards, tap on Privacy to access privacy and security settings. In addition to that, you'll see different privacy options for controlling your account. Once you're on the privacy page, look for Who Can Call Me or Call Permissions. Subsequently, tap on Who Can Call Me to customize your incoming call settings. Moreover, you'll see different options like Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. Afterwards, select My Contacts if you only want people in your contact list to call you. Then, tap on Nobody if you want to block all incoming calls completely. Within this section, you can also enable other privacy features like Read Receipts and Last Seen. Alternatively, select Everyone if you want to receive calls from anyone on Bottom. Once you've selected your preferred option, the setting will be saved automatically. Then, only people matching your selected criteria will be able to call you on Bottom. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you control who can call you on Bottom, give it a like, subscribe for more Bottom tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.